Integrated into the ECLER Essentials line, the new speakers from the eMOTUS series offer the ECLER essence in terms of reliability, quality and features. Like all ECLER Essentials products, they are very easy to use and offer a very competitive price. With a discreet but modern design, they can be integrated into any environment. The series has 3 models, all of them two-way and equipped with a 5-inch woofer and a 1-inch tweeter. The eMOTUS series acoustic enclosures have been built with reinforced ABS, which makes them very light and extremely robust. eMOTUS 5P is an active loudspeaker kit consisting of an active and a passive acoustic box. It's a compact and professional stereo kit, very easy to handle and at a very attractive cost. Its fantastic performance and unique design make it easy to be integrated into a large number of multimedia applications, classrooms, meeting rooms, stores, etc. It offers 2x30 watts RMS power and 2x60 watts program power. eMOTUS 5PB, with identical characteristics to the eMOTUS 5P, this model also includes BT wireless connection, remote control and remote volume control port, 0 to 10 volts DC, thus dramatically increasing its possibilities. It also has the auto standby function. When activated, after 2 minutes 30 seconds without audio signal in the inputs and without manipulation of the remote control, the unit will switch to standby. This will simplify your installation and make it more efficient about energy saving. It offers 2x30 watts RMS power and 2x60 watts program power. eMOTUS 5OD. This is the version specifically designed for outdoor installations, rated IP65, and offers an excellent and affordable solution for installations in theme parks, urban spaces, gardens, and outdoor installations. This model is sold as an independent unit. It offers 40 watts RMS power and 80 watts program power, 8 ohms, and selection between 7.5 or 15 or 30 watts when working with 100 volts lines. The eMOTUS 5P and eMOTUS 5PB rear panels are very similar. The only difference, eMOTUS 5PB is a port for remote volume control through an RJ45 port with a 0 to 10 volts operating range. This port allows to connect a WPM-VOL type wall remote control panel. The connection is made through a standard Cat5 cable between the WPM-VOL wall panel and the remote connector of the master unit. It has output volume control and source selection, a bass and treble controls, and a switch that allows you to select between stereo or mono operation. The loudspeaker system has balanced input through Euroblock connector and unbalanced through RCA connectors. The system's second loudspeaker is connected to the main loudspeaker via this amplified output, equipped with a Euroblock connector with 2 terminals. To allow a secure installation, the box has an anchor point for a safety cable. The equipment working voltage can be selected between 115 and 230 volts, allowing to be integrated into any project around the world. As we said, the eMOTUS 5PB model offers additional features accessible through the remote control supplied with the unit, such as the LED indicator's deactivation. The remote control can manage all speaker functions, gain, bass, treble and inputs selection. It also offers access to various functions that are unique to this model. Mute mutes the speaker system. It is shown by a red LED flashing. BT allows BT wireless connection. When a connection is made this way, a blue LED lights up. BT priority. When this priority system is activated, whenever an available BT wireless connection is detected, it will have priority over the remaining audio inputs and will switch to it automatically. Auto standby activates or deactivates the auto standby function. If activated, after 2 minutes 30 seconds without audio at the inputs and without remote control manipulation, the unit will switch to standby. This means a significant energy saving and eliminates the need to turn the equipment on and off daily. Reset resets the device to all its default values. Flat resets the device to its default EQ values, flat EQ. eMOTUS 5OD is the outdoor installations version. It includes a 5-position switch that allows you to select your working mode. The first 4 positions allow the system to work in high impedance and the 5th in low impedance. The 4 positions of the power selector for 100 volts line will allow configuring the maximum power that each installed unit will work with. The fifth position is for low impedance operation, 8 ohms and 40 watts RMS maximum power. To guarantee an impeccable operation, even in the most adverse weather conditions, eMOTUS 5OD offers an IP65 protection degree. The IP protection degree refers to the equipment protection degree against external agents such as dust or water. In the eMOTUS series packaging, you will find everything you need to complete the unit installation. The eMOTUS series offers modern design, robust, lightweight, and very affordable acoustic enclosures, able to provide the ideal solution with extensive control functions for all installation types, both indoors and outdoors. More information about this and other products manufactured by ECLER on the website www.eclair.com. Thank you for watching this video.